Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to be unboxing the INVANTI electric bike Tide 2. I bought this after extensive research and it just came today. I'm going to be unboxing it for you so you have an idea what to expect when you buy this bike. If you look on the back of the box, it goes through exactly how to unbox it and how to assemble it. There's really no assembly required. And it looks like it gives you the tools that you need to tighten the screws on this as well. So that's going to be promising. And let's get into it. Let's get unboxing. So here we go. We're going to remove the straps first. Opening up the box here. That was relatively easy. Just had to undo the straps and opening it up. The bike is, as you can see, fully assembled. It's a black color. It was on sale, I think like $4.50. So I got a good price for it. And everything seems to be in order. And now we're gonna open it up. Here's the bike out of the box. It's relatively heavy. They say it's like 60 or 70 pounds. And it took a little doing, two hands, to get it out of the box. But as you can see, really not too much to it. The front wheel is already assembled. The back wheel obviously is. It just needs to be unfolded and it should be ready to go. Alright, so I took out all the packaging and it was, just using a scissors to remove all the zip ties. And I put everything back in here for garbage sake. And it does come with the tool, it looks like, that I would need to tighten everything, which is amazing. So I don't have to go searching for Allen wrenches. I got everything right here. The brick charger, the pole for the handlebars, the seat over there. So it's just a matter of now sliding everything in place, opening it up, and it should be ready to go. Alright guys, so I got it to here without looking at any directions. As you can see, it's pretty much unfolded and everything is off. I couldn't figure out how to do this piece, how to get this tightened. It's not tightening for me. I'm thinking I have to tighten something and then close it off with that. So this is without reading anything or looking at the instruction manual. I've got it this far. I don't know what this piece is for. It might be something to attach to the handlebars, but I'm not sure. Obviously, if I read the instructions, I just wanted to see how far I could get to it without looking at any of the instructions. And this piece is gonna need to be tightened over there somewhere. So that is gonna be pretty self-explanatory, but I've gotten it this far without looking at any instructions, just based on whatever you think goes wherever. So it's pretty easy, but yeah, I couldn't get that piece to tighten up. I'll figure that out. Yeah, so I figured this part out. So this is like this, and I thought I had to go up on it, and that's why I wasn't tightening on me. But if you look at the instructions, they tell you to go like that, and then you just fold that over, and then you bring it over like that. And then that just tightens into place. So that keeps it from unfolding, which is obviously important if you're driving the bike and you don't want it to fold over. And this piece right here is a seat post with a shock. So if you don't like this seat post that doesn't have a shock and you want some extra shock, then you can use that seat post, which I thought which is pretty nice. I didn't expect that. You can just switch that one out and you can get one with a shock. Wow. And they also give you a tool. So that's pretty amazing. Another thing that I discovered is with the handlebars, when they come in, they go in like this, and it snaps into place with this little, right here, item. And then if you want to unhook it and open it, you have to slide it to the left, and then it opens up. But I also noticed that this is not aligned to the frame. So this is on an angle to the frame. So it just looks a little off. Obviously that doesn't you know, affect the drive of the bike or anything, but it just looks a little off. It should be straight like that so that everything is symmetrical. But other than that, so this piece comes in and that snaps into place, and then you can tighten it with this. So that's pretty straightforward, but it's a little off. It's not like straightforward. That's one little thing to notice. So with the tool that they give you, you can remove this screw right here with the Allen wrench that they give you, and then attach this piece, the mud guard, to it, so that way it has something to stick to and it doesn't hit the wheel. And this tool is amazing. It gives you a socket set in here as well. So you can open this up, open that up, and you have a little Phillips head screwdriver, and it gives you a socket set. So it's got little 3 sockets in it too. So, which is amazing. So yeah, I'm gonna do that now. Yeah, so now that's done. That was literally the hardest part of this entire build. Unscrewing it, putting that little piece in, and then screwing it back on. It took me about a couple minutes to just do that. But other than that, this build was amazingly easy. Didn't have to put the front tire on or anything. And it looks amazing. It looks sturdy. It looks like it's ready to go right out of the box. Give it like 10 minutes and you'd be ready to go. Just got to put some air in the tires, charge up the battery. And gonna have more, obviously, tutorials and reviews and adventures of using the bike. So make sure to like, follow, and subscribe if you want more information on bikes and adventures with this awesome bike.